The only reason why I got this Toshiba N300 hard drive is because it's supposed to be quiet. Let's unbox the drive now and see how that worked out in today's 2-minute review. This video is not sponsored. I paid retail for this drive. It cost around $400 US, and there's a link to it in the description below. The packaging is very simple. It's just a cardboard box that contains the hard drive in a plastic cradle. The cradle opens up easily and reveals the hard disk drive. It looks very basic on top with the serial numbers and some of the technical specifications. The drive has 6 mounting screws on the side, and on the back there's the standard SATA and power ports. However, the underside of the drive is a bit special. I really like the distinctive look of the black half of the underside. And I find the deep teal color that they used on the exposed PCB to be very pleasant. The box does not contain any cables or anything else for that matter. This is very minimalistic packaging. I mounted the Toshiba N300 in my Cooler Master case. It's the top one in the stack here. Below that is an old SSD, and below that I have 2 WD Blue hard drives that I've used for a long time. Before I got this Toshiba drive, I had bought a WD Gold drive as my upgrade, but it kept making such a racket it made a loud clicking sound every 5 seconds. This was the problem that I wanted to solve with the Toshiba N300. I actually learned about this model through a Reddit post. And the author was right. The Toshiba N300 is very quiet. I cannot distinguish it from any of the other noises in my PC, which includes those other hard drives as well as 4 separate fans. What I wanted was a quiet 16 terabyte hard drive, and that is exactly what I got with the Toshiba N300. Yes, it was a bit more expensive than the WD Gold drive that it replaced, but it was so worth it. I was very happy with my purchase. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below. If you're getting value from the video, please consider subscribing to my channel 2-minute reviews for more short product reviews. And now click or tap the screen right here to watch my review of that WD Gold drive that I ended up returning due to their noise. That video also includes a longer audio sample. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you in the comments.